What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be installing some new DV8 pinch weld covers. All right, guys, so everybody who has a Bronco knows that the factory pinch weld covers look like shit. So I was looking online and I decided to go with the DV8 ones. I got them for $80. I purchased them on Amazon, free shipping. They are all matte black, powder coated. It's a one-piece design, which is what I like. Some of the other cheaper ones online I was looking might have been two pieces, or at least that was for the 4-door. Obviously I have the 2-door, so this is for any 2-door installation. So you will get your 2 pinch weld covers. They are lasered in here with the DV8 that is see-through like that. And then it has some M6 hardware and then some M8 hardware. It does not have any instructions. I assume it's going to be pretty self-explanatory, but there are no instructions. So let's get out there. We'll see how it looks factory now. We'll go over the quick process to put these on, and we'll do a little before and after. So let's get to it. All right, so we're out here now with the Bronco. Unfortunately, it is a little dirty, but hey, what are you going to do? So see, we have our pinch weld here. We have one, looks like that's it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 2 right there with the factory bolts through it. I believe these are going to be the smaller ones, the M6s, which uses a 4mm hex head. And then we have the 4 bigger ones that are going to go here, which use a 5mm hex head. So we're just going to give this a quick cleaning so we don't put anything over the dirty paint, and then we're going to get them installed. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so there you have it. Just went around, tightened them all up with the Allen keys, and that's it. It's about a 5-10 minute install. So we're just gonna go clean the other side, get that one on, and we'll be all done. So hopefully this helps anyone who's interested in this product. Drop any comments or questions below. Thanks for watching.